Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wooden sling chairs that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Estella Adjustable Wooden Cabana Beach Chair. The Estella BC 50P 5204 captured my attention because of its unique design. I was mesmerized by the color combinations and the feather, leaf-like flowers that spread all over the fabric. Unlike the ordinary chairs, the Estella BC 50P 5204 is made of a solid material that makes it durable and long-lasting. It can sustain so much weight without breaking or tearing up. It is actually the best seat for outdoor environments as it has a water-resistant polyester fabric material. This chair brings forth a lot of comfort as it comes with 4 adjustable reclining positions. Moving on at number 4, we have the Black Safari Roorkhee Campaign Camp Leather Wood Lounge Sling Chair. When I saw this chair, I actually thought that I was in a palace, simply because it has a similar design to royal chairs. The Black Safari Roorkhee wooden sling chair is perfect and comfortable for you regardless of where you might be sitting. It can be used near fireplaces or campfires. The chair has a recline comfortability while doing your personal activities like browsing the internet or scorching outside. The hinged back gives numerous reclining positions, thus offering adequate comfort. The extremely sturdy construction makes it a must-have sling chair. Of course, given its unique design, you will enjoy every moment at the beach or on your patio. At number 3, we have the A.R.T. Furniture Intrigue Wood Back Armchair. Coming at the 5th position on my list of the best wooden sling chairs is the wooden sling back armchair. This is a chair that I fell in love with because of its unique style. The chair is actually adorned with a double marquise pattern in the wood carved back with a delicate maple inlay. This is one of the best sling chairs that can be used for both relaxing and dining purposes. It is firm and durable enough to take you for a lifetime. I loved its back as it had a quality element of integrating signature art. It's made using a natural and easy-to-clean fabric which makes it convenient and adequately reliable. If you want to relax and feel real comfort, this wooden sling chair will do the magic for you. At number 2, we have the wooden sling swing outdoor Patio Chaise Lounger. After a long search, I was able to come across the wooden sling swing chair. This is one of the best and most purchased sling chairs in the market. Its cool design makes it outstanding. It is made of an all-weather woven sling resin fabric that is strong and durable enough to serve you for a century. The dimensions of the seat are 43W x 25D x 37H inches. The seat is 14H inches. The adjustable head pillow spices up the experience are ensuring that you relax like a king. What's more, the foldable design makes it easily transportable. And finally at number 1, we have the Imperial San Francisco 49ers Bar Height Director's Chair. Well, the Imperial Wooden Sling Chair is the chair that I considered to be the number 1 product on my list. This is a chair designed with a solid wood frame and a heavy-duty 16 ounces canvas slings. When I picked it, I knew that my gaming experience would be elevated to another level. My kitchen experiences will also be catered for by this chair as it can also serve best in that environment. The Imperial chair measures 21.5 W by 15.5 D by 46 inches H. It has a straight-line footrack for a convenient and comfortable footrest. The 250 pounds weight makes it transportable and ideal for movement from one place to another.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.